Beautiful and unique collection in 3-piece just for 389. You can see the collection on the table. It's very beautiful and we have brought very nice collection just for you. If you want this collection, you can directly call us or visit us. And just one thing, just remember one thing, don't skip this video, watch till the end, because this is a best exclusive offer for all the wholesaler, retailer, small business owner, big business owner. So let's begin with the video. First piece, you can see this is very beautiful collection. You can see the rust color, plus you can see the green patchwork along with the side of thread work with the artificial mirror working. If I talk about the set, you'll get medium, large, XL, double XL. You can see same color, same design, medium, large, XL, double XL. Like this, you'll get a bunch in different sizes. And you'll get, I'm saying it all again, you'll get the same color, same design. Even on the dummies, you can see the different colors, different variety. It's very comfortable for the ladies who are going to work, who are working from home, or they are the teachers, officers. It's very comfortable collection. And if you put this collection on your dummy, it will sell very quickly. So you can see this is very beautiful collection. Plus it has a elegance plus comfort, and in the very minimum price of 390 rupees. In 390 rupees, you are going to get top bottom kurta plus along with the neck patch. Now let's begin with the next collection. You can see this is very turquoise blue collection, stylish collection, and on the neck you can see the sequence work, thread work, and you can see how beautiful it's crafted. If I talk about the collection, if you want this collection, you can directly call us, visit us, and please do let me know from where you're watching this video. Comment down below. So you can see these collection are very uniquely made. And if I talk about the price, it's just 390. 390 is the price. And if I talk about the dupatta, you'll get a proper big dupatta. I can show you one dupatta also. In markets, you get this dupatta just for 200, but in this 3-piece, you are getting this dupatta along in just 390 rupees. Top bottom kurta, you can see how big the dupatta is. It's proper 2.15 meter dupatta, very beautiful and very soft. You know, when 3-piece meet elegance, this type of collection came. So you can see, and I'll tell you, you don't have to be dependent on the season. You have to wait for Diwali, you have to wait for Pongal, you have to wait for seasons. You can sell this variety 12 months. So you can see this next collection, very beautiful blue color collection, plus you can see on the neck the patchwork, thread work along with a multicolor thread work collection, and it's very soft, plus you can see the band, you can see the dupatta. Now let's go on to the next collection. You can see this green color, very beautiful green color. You can see the neonish green color, and on this also you can see the green patch plus thread work. And if I talk about the bottom, you can see this is a contrast bottom along with the dupatta. And if I talk about the quality, it won't shrink, it won't bleed. So this is a very plus quality. And a lot of people talk about the exchange policy. We don't have the exchange and return policy. And if you want this collection, you can directly call us. You can see how beautiful these colors are. If I talk about the last color, you can see it's blue color and it's very beautiful. Plus on the neck, you can see the thread work, mirror work, and you can see the daman also. It's very beautifully crafted. And if you want to order this collection, you can directly call us. So this is your channel. Like this channel, comment this channel, and share this channel as much as you can, because if you want to become a businessman, this is the time. Businessman, businesswoman, whatever, this is the time. Change yourself, build your business, and join Shiven Trendz, join Shiven Trendz family. We have become a very big family. So what are you waiting for? Join now. And this is your channel. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe.